I've been testing this Apple Watch Ultra 3 side by side with the Ultra 2 for a couple of weeks now. Wearing both of them every day, every night. Here's what I found. We're gonna look at 5 key areas: battery, brightness, calories burned, heart rate, and sleep tracking. At the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the update advice on whether you should buy it or not. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's talk about the battery. Apple claims the Ultra 3 can last up to 48 hours. From my test, running both from 100% down to 10%, the Ultra 3 does perform a bit better, but not by a huge margin. I'd say around 10 to 15% longer than the Ultra 2. Yeah. Brightness. The difference isn't huge either. The Ultra 3 is slightly brighter, but honestly, unless you compare them side by side outdoors, you probably won't notice that much. Calories burned. This one's interesting. The Ultra 3 consistently shows slightly higher calories burned compared to the Ultra 2 under the same workout conditions. I tested them several times, but just got the same result. During workouts, both watches give almost identical heart rate readings. No major difference here. Now let's talk about the sleep tracking. Here's where things get weird. The Ultra 2 actually gave me a higher sleep score than the Ultra 3, even though I wore both at the same time. But when I compare the actual sleep hours, they were really close. For example, last night I slept around 6 hours and 14 minutes according to my Gropel app, and both watches were within 10 minutes of that. The Ultra 3 said 6 hours 21 minutes and the Ultra 2 said 6 hours 23 minutes. So accuracy-wise, they're both pretty solid. Here's the final thoughts. If you're using Apple Watch Ultra 2 like me, I honestly don't recommend upgrading. The differences just aren't big enough to justify the price. But if you're still on Ultra 1 or any older models and budget isn't really a concern, then yeah, why not? Go for the Ultra 3. You'll get a slightly better battery, a brighter screen, and the latest sensor updates. Alright guys, here's my quick hands-on comparison between the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Ultra 3. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I finished 60. This one is Action 5 Pro, and this one is DJI Nano, and this one is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Which one is better?